sumaba ng hair ko, no? Pero usog. There's a song that's inside of my soul. It is the one that I tried to hide over and over again. I'm awake in me, infinite cold. But you sing to me, oh, falling over and over again. So I lay my bed down, thank you, and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know that you're my only hope. Sino nakawatch ng I Walk to Remember? Mom, baby na parang hindi ko alam yung fast car. Hi, Tisay. Sing to me the song of the star. I cried in that movie of your galaxy then, singing, laughing and laughing again. Thank you, Mom. When it feels like my dreams are so far, sing to me of the plans that you have for me over again. So I lay my head down and I lift my hands. Listen ko po yung bubbly. Pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know that you're my only hope. I gave you my destiny. Malapit na tayo mag 1 million. Tara na. Tara na, guys. Let's go. I want your symphony, singing in all that I am. At the top of my lungs, I'm giving back. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know you're my only hope. Nako, parang hindi na ako love ng mga viewers ko. Kasi ang tagal, nakakatatlong kanta na ako, hindi pa rin ako nagwa 1 million taps. Hindi niyo na talaga ako love. Sige na. Tara, tara. Come on guys, let's tap the screen at tawagan ang aking kamay. Tara na guys, let's hit 5,000 viewers. So sa lahat ng mga gifters ko, maraming salamat.